So hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. So today this video is for someone who did not have an access to the laptop or can't afford a laptop. So I'm going to help you by telling you how you can learn to code on your mobile phone or you can code on your mobile phone. So let me share my screen, and what I'm doing is I've already downloaded or I've already recorded everything on my mobile phone. We are just going to review everything, and just going to review everything, and I'm going to tell you precisely everything step by step. So how to perform everything. So let's go to the video, open the video, and let me check if everything is working fine. And yeah, everything is working fine. So so see, we'll download a Termux application to do all these things, and Termux is also available on your Play Store. So what happened is I have installed Termux from Play Store. It's not working fine, it's crashing a lot. So I went on to F-Droid and downloaded Termux from there. So you can type in command, you can type on your Chrome F-Droid Termux and click on the first link available to you. And yeah, so it's a trusted website. You can give all the downloading permission it wants, like allow from this source and everything. Download the apk 81 mib. Okay, download it anyway, and it's a safe file. You can download it on your mobile phone and give it all the permissions. And after downloading, what you see is you are inside a terminal. You are familiar with the term command prompt on a Windows or a terminal, so you must be familiar with this interface. Or if you're not, then let me introduce you to this interface. So what we are doing here is our cell phones already have Linux kernel in them or a kernel in them. So what we are going to do is install Ubuntu on our phone so that we can make this process a little bit easy for us. So let's type in the command, and all the commands you will get step by step. All the commands you needed in this video will be available in the description box. So copy the first link available to you, or copy the first command, pkg install wget and everything. What this thing is doing is it's making a process little bit easier for you and installing Ubuntu for you. So let's type in the command, press enter. So paste the command, press enter. Okay, pressed enter, and it will download all the needed files. And be patient, let it download all the files. And now type in the command dot slash start ubuntu dot sh. So you now typing this command. After typing this command, you press enter. Now you are inside Ubuntu, and you can type the Ubuntu commands, which uh, to check if everything is working fine. Like pwd, if didn't show any, if it does not shows any error, then it's working totally fine. You can type in ls, and there are so many commands to check if Ubuntu is working fine. So now let's go to the new tab on our Chrome, and go to type in code server and click on the first link available to you. It's a GitHub link. So click on the link, go to releases, click on the link, and go to the releases, and go to the releases and click on it. You have all the versions available to you. Now go to assets, and inside assets we'll download the arm64.deb file. It will work properly fine on your mobile phone. Other files will not work fine on your mobile phone. So just don't download this, just copy the link address, and we are going to install it from our Termux. So let's go to our Termux and let's type in w get and paste paste that link address and press enter. So what this is doing is it's making a local host for a mobile phone where you can code, and you don't even need internet for you don't even need internet to code on a mobile phone just by doing this. So it's setting up all the files, downloading every necessary thing for you. Now just what we have to do is, after everything is done, let's 53, 54, and it's installing. It's now type in the command apt install dot slash and type press tab. Okay, so what happens with tab is it will auto write everything what you are needed for the next command. So dot apt dot install slash write code and press tab. It will give you all the, it will give that file, and press enter. See, I'm writing code and I press tab, and yeah, see, now it will install all the everything needed for you. Now after this, see, we don't want our code or a project to be accessed by a hacker just knowing your IP address. So we are going to make it password protected. So the command here is password export password equals to, make it a good password, export password and your password. I'm making it for one, so I make it 2323, and yeah, so 2323. Okay, and then press enter. Now your local host is password protected also. Mm, Now let's clear the terminal and move on to the next command. The next command is simple, write code dash server, and you are ready to go. Now go to your code server and wait for it to configure everything. Now go to the Chrome tab and type in localhost 8080, and it will open a localhost for you, which we have done already using code server. So now you have localhost. Now type in the password which you have used in the terminals already, which you have entered in the export password command. Now you are inside VS Code. Isn't it amazing? Right? VS Code, like totally ditto, like your desktop. It's on your mobile phone on your local host 8080. So now you can choose. Now play with it. Learn some. Go on YouTube. Find some coding tutorials, and do what you want to do. You have code, you can easily code on your mobile phone, so there are no excuses. So just go to the now you have to play with it on your own. I'm not going to guide you step by step, because first you have to learn to code, and then these things will be easily to you, will be easy to you. So make a file, type in commands, play with it, type in code, play with it, save the file, run the file. And there are so many things you can do. See, like I am promoting myself. This is amazing, guys. Subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching. And that's it from this one. And right now, you don't have any excuses that I don't have a laptop and anything. Just go and learn to code. And see, that's it from this one. We'll meet in the next one. So that's it from this one. We'll meet in the next one with some good, amazing content. So bye bye. Tada.